Model, 62-plate Vauxhall Vivaro Sport 2900 2.0 CDTI, 115 PS, long wheelbase, street RF EU5 needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 190490. MOT, the 8th of December 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job. Engine and gearbox are great grin. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, aircon, electric windows, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.